Maybe मैं कभी-कभी दिन में ना 3-4 बार नहा लेता हूँ. So, but it's a good thing. But I don't know, they might find it weird.
I have a bunch of rapid fire questions जो मैं आपसे पूछती हूँ और आप मुझे quickly उनके जवाब दीजिए.
I will try my
best.
best.
First one. कोई एक ऐसा झूठ जो नमित बहुत आसानी से बोल देते हैं, तो वो कौन सा होगा नमित?
मैंने खाना खा लिया है.
Okay. एक ऐसी लाइन जिसको आप अपना तकिया कलाम कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, you know, that you keep saying a lot.
I think.
Oh. I thought you were about to answer ahead.
I know. No.
Okay.
I think मैं बोलता हूँ काफी.
One word that you love so much that you try putting it in almost every sentence or dialogue or something.
एक तो ख्वाहिश था, but एक और हिंदी वर्ड था जो मेरे को बहुत पहले मेरी pronunciation was wrong. आएगा अभी याद नहीं आ रहा, but it definitely that word that I have been trying to use everywhere because it just sounds so beautiful and I used to pronounce it wrong. If it comes to me, I will tell you. If not, then just move on.
So what if one day somebody wakes up in the life of Namit Khanna? तो आपकी कोई एक ऐसी हरकत, आदत या मतलब कोई addiction जिसको देखकर वो बहुत हंसेंगे, like you know when they live into your life, वो क्या है?
Maybe मैं कभी-कभी दिन में ना 3-4 बार नहा लेता हूँ. So, but it's a good thing. But I don't know, they might find it weird.
If a biography is written on you about your life, about everything, one, what do you think will be it named? And secondly, आपको क्या लगता है कि वो कौन से particular incident के आगे surround करेगी?
The journey within Namit Khanna. I just made it up. But yeah, I mean, if you're asking me spontaneously, यही हो सकता है. I mean, I won't say struggle, but transition from playing the different professions that I've been part of. So उनके transitions stick to the fact that I moved from Delhi to Bombay and on my own as a young kid trying to make a career, you know, and after quitting my permanent job in advertising, so वो छोड़ छाड़ के मैं Bombay जब गया and वहाँ से जो मेरी life हुई है and the success I've gotten, all that is can be the starting point.
तो नमित, तो वो पहली क्या सैलरी थी जो आपको मिली थी जब आपने अपनी वो जॉब जिसमें you were highly paid छोड़ के इधर struggle period में आए थे? पहली सैलरी क्या थी और आपने उसका क्या किया था?
Well, modeling was my first, you know, I earned a lot of money through it. So, I mean, it even started while I was working in advertising. So, वही था, I mean, that was also a major reason for me to move to Bombay because I was getting paid more than my month's salary at a point. So, for a day's job, you know, so I was like, say yes. So, I mean, I remember just like one of those initial modeling jobs में जब मुझे, I think 15 या 20,000 रुपए मिले थे, I was like, wow, you know, this is cash and like I can do anything with it and it's mine. And I'm not like, this is the pocket money, extra pocket money, you know. So exactly मेरे को याद नहीं, but obviously I would have done like stupid things and gone and bought stupid things.
We could teleport you back to your school days. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि हमें ऐसे key points, कहते हैं ना, basic main चीजें आपके बारे में वहाँ से क्या पता चलने वाली हैं?
That I was super popular. I was part of the school band. I was part of the basketball team. I used to be a science student. All the girls used to have a crush on me from junior school and from obviously batches junior to me. मेरे batch से भी थी, but I think उनकी girlfriend, boyfriend बन चुके थे. But and all the boys used to be jealous of me. So you get to know all this.
When was the first time that you gave somebody a love letter or somebody gave you a love letter?
So I used to get love letters, like I used to get fan mails in school. Yeah? There used to be every year on the school fete, I used to get roses and I used to get these heart-shaped FC, which was later on I found out it was Namit Khanna fan club back in school. So it was very cool. But in class 11, I made my first girlfriend who was two batches junior to me. बट फिर वो क्लास, जब तक मैं क्लास 12 में पहुंचा, वो स्कूल छोड़ के जिनीवा चलेगी अपनी मम्मी के साथ. उसी को मैंने कुछ दिया होगा पहली बार. तो
कहते हैं एक बहुत बड़े नाम बन गया है इंडस्ट्री में. सो उस टाइम पे कभी ऐसा हुआ कि फैन हैड गिवन यू अ लव लेटर और मे बी यू नो यू गॉट दीस इनबॉक्स में बहुत ही रोमांटिक लेटर्स फैंस की?
एक बार some of the fans had coordinated these letters from all over the world. So they were letters from every different country. कोई ईरान से, कोई नॉर्वे से, कोई लंदन से, कोई यहाँ से, and सबने खुद लिखी हुई लेटर. They accumulated it. I think they had taken printouts of it. and written from where, and then combined it and then sent me those hardcore printouts. So that was really sweet.
You know, being an actor, आपको कभी भी ऐसा हुआ है that you've had a very weird or very scary fan experience or maybe a stalkerish experience?
Whenever people have recognized me, it's really nice, but sometimes it gets really awkward, you know, because sometimes they're like, हमने आपको कहीं देखा है, याद नहीं आ रहा, but कहीं तो देखा है. Okay. अब मैं क्या बताऊँ? ओके, मैं बोल देता हूँ, फिर आपने शायद टीवी पे देखा होगा संजीवनी. हाँ. Then they are like huge pauses and all, and I'm like, okay, now I must leave, or what? Do you want to talk, or you want to, you know, it gets like. But yeah, I guess I'll get used to it. And obviously, I don't have my entourage with me. कि भैया एक second sir busy हैं, please बाद में आना. Because I'm alone. If I'm walking alone, then they'll approach me. Then it's awkward to like say, okay, I'm busy, I'm gonna go now. So yeah.
But have you ever been misjudged for some other celebrity, Namit?
I think I'm pretty unique that way. Touch wood.
आपका कोई look या anything can just make the fan feel कि oh ये तो वैसा दिखता है type.
मेरे को हॉलीवुड एक्टर्स के बारे में बोला गया है कि you know जेक जिलेनहॉल की तरह लगता हूँ, और एक दो और हैं कि भी you look so like him. But yeah, I mean, Indian, I don't remember actually having.
Last thing that I want to know from you, if we end up spending one day with Namit Khanna in Mumbai or any place that you like, okay, where are those top 3 places that you're gonna take us?
If you're gonna be with me in my city or even any part of the world, and I'm supposed to show you around and make you have a good time, rest assured you will see a nice, beautiful sunset from a very beautiful place. One. Then you will, I mean, of course, have amazing food. So you will go to one of my favorite restaurants or whatever, takeaway or get something made. And third would be to be in nature. So whether it be by the sea or go to the mountains or go on a drive outskirts where there's vast openness. You know, like do a little bit of a semi-adventure. Like मैं Mud Island बहुत बार जाता था when I used to stay in Yari Road. कुछ नहीं कर रहे तो शाम को बस ऑटो पकड़ा, सीधा पहुंचे फेरी ली वहां से Mud Island, and then just hang out there for the sunset, you know, because it's less crowd and it's nature, you know, it just makes me feel good. So you can definitely expect those 3 things.
I'm tempted now, Namit. I swear, because they're all in my list. I keep doing such things. So yes, I am tempted at least. But thank you so much for talking with me, Namit. It was a pleasure having you. I hope मैंने आपको बोर नहीं किया and you enjoyed yourself.
Not at all. Absolutely not. And it was a pleasure being here and having a chat with you. So thank you so much.
Fans and audience जो आपको अब देखेंगे, उनके लिए कोई message देना चाहेंगे? Parting anything that you want to tell them?
All my love, always. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for being there. Always, always, always. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do my best and hopefully be on your TV screens or on the silver screen or on your apps, on your mobiles, in some form or the other, as soon as I can. So until then, be safe and be happy, and bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Namit. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
All about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.